Okay, Ducky, you need to get back out of there, though. You're a little bit too bold. Get back. See him on the fence. See him on the fence. Yeah, that's a nice cow.
It's giving him kisses.
Yeah, you're getting kisses from the cow?
That's enough.
Oh, you got cow kisses.
Would you stop? That's enough. That's so cute, though.
And you got another company coming to see you. They all want to see the ducky.
Who's peeing? Somebody's peeing.
Yep.
At least they're not aggressive or anything.
No.
You know? Okay. Quiet. It's okay. It's all right. Down. Down.
What do you think?
Down.
What do you think? Is that a cow for you to see? They came to see you. Yeah. You stay out here, though, little lady.